Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 24 of our chemistry course, Analytical Chemistry, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 24, Analytical Chemistry, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into classical verses, modern analytical methods, procedure of combustion analysis, spectroscopy and its applications in analytical chemistry, regions of electromagnetic spectrum in IR and UV-vis spectroscopy, origin of IR absorption of simple molecules, structure determination from IR spectrum, UV visible absorption prediction, color prediction of transition metal complexes, principles of proton NMR spectroscopy, chemical environment and proton NMR, standard scales in proton NMR, mass spectrometry, MS, instrumentation and working, MS in determination of isotopic masses and abundance, atomic emission and atomic absorption spectrum. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with classical versus modern analytical methods. This lesson compares the classical methods of analysis with modern techniques in analytical chemistry. We'll then explore the procedure of combustion analysis. In this lesson, students will discuss the procedure of combustion analysis. Understanding the combustion analysis technique is crucial for determining the elemental composition of organic compounds. Next, we'll cover spectroscopy and its applications in analytical chemistry. This lesson defines spectroscopy and discusses its applications in analytical chemistry. We'll then move on to the regions of electromagnetic spectrum in IR and UV-vis spectroscopy. Building on the knowledge of spectroscopy, this lesson identifies the regions of the electromagnetic spectrum used in infrared and ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. Following that, we'll describe the origin of IR absorption of simple molecules. In this lesson, students will explain the origin of infrared absorption of simple molecules. Understanding the principles behind IR absorption is essential for interpreting spectroscopic data and identifying functional groups in molecules. We'll then explore structure determination from IR spectrum. Next, we'll cover UV visible absorption prediction. This lesson focuses on predicting whether a given molecule will absorb in the UV visible region. Students will analyze molecular structures to understand the factors influencing UV visible absorption, enhancing their ability to predict absorption patterns. We'll then move on to the color prediction of transition metal complexes. Building on UV visible absorption, this lesson requires students to predict the color of a transition metal complex from its UV visible spectrum. Next, we'll cover the principles of proton NMR spectroscopy. In this lesson, students will outline, in simple terms, the principles of proton NMR spectroscopy. Understanding the fundamentals of proton NMR is crucial for interpreting spectra and extracting structural information from organic compounds. Following that, we'll describe the chemical environment and proton NMR. Students will explain how the chemical environment of a proton affects the magnetic field it experiences and, consequently, the absorption of energy at resonance frequency. This lesson deepens their understanding of the relationship between molecular structure and NMR spectra. We'll then explore the standard scales in proton NMR. This lesson covers the description of standard scales used in proton NMR. Next, we'll cover mass spectrometry, instrumentation, and working. Students will explain the instrumentation and working of mass spectrometry in this lesson. Following that, we'll describe MS in determination of isotopic masses and abundance. Building on MS principles, this lesson outlines the use of mass spectrometry in determining relative isotopic masses and isotopic abundance. Finally, we'll describe atomic emission and atomic absorption spectrum. The final lesson defines and explains atomic emission and atomic absorption spectra. Students will understand the principles behind these techniques, enhancing their knowledge of elemental analysis using spectroscopic methods. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy to read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 24 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.